Running your own social media? Great move. But let us make sure you are not falling into the most common traps that stop your growth. Mistake number 1. Posting inconsistently. If you post once a week, then disappear for a month, your audience forgets you. Create a content calendar. Even 2 to 3 posts a week done consistently work better than random bursts. Mistake number 2. No clear brand voice. One day you sound funny, next day serious. Your followers get confused. Define your tone. Are you friendly, expert, inspirational? Stay consistent across all posts. Mistake number 3. Treating social media like a one-way street. Ignoring comments and direct messages hurts your brand. Respond, engage, and show your audience they matter. That is how you build trust. And mistake number 4. Not checking your analytics. Without data, you are guessing what works. Track what gets likes, saves, or clicks. And do more of that. Manage smart. Stay consistent, and let your social media work for you, not against you.